piece. Formed it quickly. That kind of killed our time to get snacks.
All right, Simon, be ready.
Are they on defense?
Go, Connor!
I think so.
Yes.
Pull their flag, Cameron, whoever has the ball.
Draquan, go for the flag.
Cameron, get the flag.
Go, defense.
Look up at him. Look at him.
Simon, be ready.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute.
Oh my goodness, this is hilarious.
This is hilarious.
He's good.
Cameron, get the flag.
Get the flag.
Where's the ball?
Get it, get it, get it. Woo!
All right.
Job, Junior.
Excited for your brother there, Tavia? Yeah. Just a little bit, yeah.
Simon, you got to stay on your side of the field.
That wasn't real.
It better not be.
Can I sit on your lap, please?
Honey, I'm trying to record, otherwise I would let you.
Sit down on the grass, Tavia, you're 8. You'll be all right.
Itching me like crazy.
You need to bring a blanket.
We're going to go get chairs.
Yeah, they even have the baby or the kid chairs, huh?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I really like to get in the mail.
Right after you're center, you're going to try it again.
There it is. Sign in.
No, I mean,
So are you the one in volleyball?
Yeah.
Playing volleyball? No?
Get the flag!
She's usually in volleyball, but she doesn't think she's going to do it.
Yeah, that's fun. I play sand volleyball just for fun because I'm old. But I did play volleyball when I was younger.
She's really good. I think she should play again.
All right, let's go, defense.
One more year and then she's on to high school. So.
You might as well
Simon,
stick in it
stay on
just
your
to
side
keep
of
your
the field.
skills,
Don't let
and
it
then
buy
you'll
you.
imagine to be a coach pretty soon, you know?
They didn't come here.
Oh yeah, where's that cloud? That feels good.
Just going, where's the sun? Okay.
Yeah, Chase, you're right. Cameron's going to try to get the flag.
Get the flag.
Get the flag, get the flag.
Uh-oh, he's gone.
Jeez, wow.
All right, he's a fast one.
Quick.
Oh,
Throw it to the rest, too.
good job, guys.
Look at Gina's like, oh my God, how'd that happen?
No, use your words. Use your words.
Good job, guys.
Good job. Want to say anything? Oh, you can go to mom. Were you at the zoo earlier?
Yes, I went and got my friends in because I have a pass. They're from out of town. And then we're going to go back after the game.
I think you stay here, Cameron.
Cameron, I think you...
You'll play again a little bit, okay?
I think your defense and right now offense is on. What do you want to do? Is that fun? Run and get the flag from the guy with the ball. That's all you do.
What did you do now? Put your swimsuit on? Wait, sit on. Oh, I have a sheet. There's a sheet on the reservation. Good job.
You're a kid and you'll make it. Get him now, get him!
Woo!
You know, I think she goes to your school. You're Donovan's sister, right? Are you
Her
Donovan's?
junior sister. What school does he go to?
He goes to Benson West.
Draquan goes there.
Oh,
Yeah. In kindergarten?
yeah, the one with the mohawk.
No, that's junior.
Oh,
Draquan's on the very right.
okay, I'm so confused. The one with the mohawk I saw in the halls of Benson West. That's...
I know he goes to the summer program, but he doesn't. He goes to Central Park.
The one right on the coach's right hand right now?
Yeah, that's his son.
Where I saw him at Benson West.
No.
Really?
Yeah. Yep, him and her go to Central Park.
Just like him like that. We
Yeah.
live right by Benson West, but they go to Central Park.
Oh, they... I could have sworn that was him.
I'm sure. He probably has
Holy cow. Okay, which one did you say goes there?
Draquan, he's all the way on the right.
The one right next to the kid I thought went there.
Over,
Nope. Over, he's like,
right there in the very back. He just stood up.
Okay, that's good.
Yep.
Or he's
Now he's
spinning
doing
right now.
that.
He's doing it.
He likes to spin his flags.
Get him, get him.
Oh, Fumbleski! How's that work? Can they just pick it up and go?
I wish.
I mean, a fumble is a fumble, right?
You would think so.
Yeah, they're teaching that. I bet you they don't know that. Granted, this is their first game.
No, the white grass is the line. Now, if you ever have the ball and you're running, don't go past this white line because that means you're out.
Good job, Sam.
Job.
What are they doing?
So we're offense now, right? I'm confused as to what's going on.
Yeah, I'm going to be going to Baker's today. They usually have these on sale about this time of year. Like $2. I went and looked at our one that we did have, and I forgot the old It's like one of the arms is off. Yeah, this one she just got from Walmart.
I wanted one of the really big, comfortable ones. They're a little more expensive, but man, they're comfortable.
Yeah, they got pretty decent on price lately.
Yeah, this one was only 16, so it wasn't too bad.
Oh, is that leg zipping? Oh, I didn't.
Yes, he does.
Let's go, offense!
Go, Chief!
Whoa.
Are you going to go play with Cameron number 2?
Run! Good job! Woo!
Now, is this cone a touchdown? Is this where they want to run to?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, this is the end zone.
so he was close.
I know it's confusing because
Good job, guys!
right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Look, your team's about to score. Your team's getting close to scoring. You want to watch?
Oh, he's asking the right people. Might be behind the
They can take the ball and run it to here to where this.
whatchamacallit. Go, Chief!
Go, guys!
Do you say hi?
All right! Good job!
Oh, we got the stiff arm and everything. That was really good.
Good job, guys!
Oh, that's Junior's flag thing.
You know what?